Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand. For the swing doors, the merchandise coolers, and let me give you the overall dimensions first. And the units lengths, they are about like a 25 and 3 and 4 inches wide. And the depth of the unit is about like a 23 inches deep. And the overall height of the unit is about like a 79 and 1 4 inches tall. As we can see, the units at the front, they have a big glass, double layers. On top of the units have LED banners, so you can stick any picture you want, change the picture you want. And also looking the bottom of the units, we come in with the power switchers and the light switchers. And also they do have a controllers right here to setting the temperatures you need. And when we're looking the behind of the units, we can see they have a plugs from the standard US 110 plugs and the compressor mount at the bottom too. And when we open these swing doors, we can see they have a couple clips on the trips, and also they come in with 4 layers for these units, and each of the layer heights you can adjust it. On side of the units, we can see the ETL sanitation stickers, and also they do have a car sheets informations on side of it and diagrams. Now on top of the unit, they come with a big air circling fans to keep the temperature cold. And also on the side of the units, we can see the big strips of LED lights. And this one is a really good one. So for the inner side dimensions, it is about like 18.5 inches deep. And the length is about like 23 inches wide. For this access, the clearance height is about like 55.5 inches tall. And this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.